Hello everyone, this is me Ishita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to create this look. I hope you will enjoy this one. I have created this look very first time, like this cut crease eye look. This is the first time when I have created this type of look, this glittery look. Actually the other thing is that I don't have so many glitter. I have that palette. This is from Hard Candy, you can see. And you can create this look for your friend's marriage, or you can also create this look for your ring ceremony, for a reception, because we usually book parlor for our marriage, not for all the function. We generally have all the things for makeup, all the product for makeup, so we can create this look. So booking parlor for every function is very expensive, so I have created this look for you. I hope you will enjoy this one, and if you really, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are my existing follower, my existing subscriber, please hit that like button, and also please comment, and that's it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing which I'm going to use here is this. The next thing which I'm going to use here is L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. So today I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to hide my oil pigmentation and my acne marks. So guys, I'm using my finger to blend it out. After that, I'm using this foundation. This is a MAC foundation and the shade is 43.5. so basically you will not get these shade easily. I purchased it from Shopper Stopper, and I purchased it online, so if you want you can purchase it from there. I'm just applying it through my finger. I'm just putting it like drop wise. For blending this foundation, I'm using this Real Technique brush. So it has very precise brush, so it's really blended very perfectly. It does not left any harsh line on your face. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. The shade is 15. So after that, I'm using this NYX matte finish Fini matte, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. So today I'm creating very dramatic and very glittery eyeshadow. I hope I can create this look, because this is the first time when I'm doing this cut crease eye look with glittery look. So I hope, I'm crossing my finger, I hope I can achieve this eye look. So for eye look, I'm using this two palette, and the interesting one is this palette. I am using this palette today. So this is going to be cut crease, so I am using this concealer to conceal my upper eyelid, so that this color will pop up very easily. The same loose powder I'm here to set all the concealer. to blend it perfectly. So I'm using this one and I'm blending it together. Now I'm using this glittery eye palette. This is from Hard Candy, and I'm using this one. So guys, I don't have that too much glitter shade with me, so that's why I'm using what I have with me. Due to that lockdown, I am not able to purchase anything from outside, so I purchase only those things which I can get easily from a drugstore. For creating wing eyeliner, I'm using this e.l.f. eye pencil. This is H2O proof eyeliner pen. It's not very matte. So for mascara, I'm using this, the Colossal Volume Express. So I'll be back with my false eyelashes. So I'm done with my eyelashes. Now I'm doing my eyebrow. I forget to do my eyebrow, so let's start with the eyebrow. So I'm using the same e.l.f. one. I'm using this angular brush. So guys, finally I'm done with my eyebrow, but lower eye line is still not done. So I'm using this Maybelline New York Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil. So I'm applying here. Next I'm using contour to my face, using this Marcel contour, and with the shade number is 04 dark bronzer. For that I'm using this angular brush, so I'm doing very mild contour. For blush, I'm using this NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Matte. Okay, so the next which I'm using this highlighter is from Maybelline and with the shade is 05. For my lips, I'm doing outline first and after that I'll apply lipstick. So I'm using Milani with the shade 12. For my lipstick, I'm using this from Nykaa with the shade number 13 Mumtaz. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed my video, and if you really, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page for more updates. And that's it from my side. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.